Welcome to Mountain Man Fungi. The ancient Chinese had a core 6 medicinal mushrooms that they used to benefit different parts of the body. They thought that when these 6 mushrooms were combined, it would bring whole body wellness and increase your chances of reaching the stage of enlightenment. These mushrooms were Termetes versicolor, Ganoderma lucidium, Loricofomus officinalis, Latoporus sulphureus, Amaroderma rugosum, and Ganoderma sinense. These 6 were the main medicinal mushrooms that they would use, and they thought that it could bring much benefit to the human body. Thank you very much for watching.